Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to run command as administrator with different options. Chapter 1. Run command as administrator from Run. We start by right-clicking on the Windows logo to open the context menu and click on Run. We write the command that we want to execute. Then we hold down the Shift and Control keys. While we keep them pressed, we execute the command with the Enter key or by clicking on OK. In this case, we are going to open the CMD console as administrators, and so the commands that we execute inside will have these privileges. Chapter 2. Run command as administrator from Task Manager. Open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the Windows logo and clicking on the option. Here we will click on the option Run New Task. Enter the command you want to run and also click on the Create this task with administrative privileges box. Click on OK to run the command as administrator. In this case, we will run CMD as administrators. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.